Once you have an AI agent up and running, you'll want to make sure it's doing its job correctly. Maybe more importantly, as you build out your team of agents, you'll need a way to make sure the entire system is running smoothly and as you expect. Luckily, you can do both these things right inside of Retool. Let's take a look at how it works. When we're editing a particular agent, we can click on the Logs tab to see a live log of what the agent is doing and thinking in real time. This list gives you a sort of look inside the mind of your agent while it runs. However, when you want to be more confident in how your agent is going to perform, that's where datasets and evals come in. When you create a dataset, you're adding test cases to your agent by specifying both the sample input and the kind of output you would expect. Output might be when an agent gets a particular input, does it choose the right tool? Or you might care more about what the final answer of the agent actually is. Then you need to add a reviewer, which is the way that our eval is going to be able to tell whether a test case passes or not. You can choose a more programmatic reviewer, like looking for an exact string in the output, or checking whether your agent outputs valid JSON or XML. But you can also go further and use another LLM to judge your agent's output across factors like, was the agent's response factual, or did it answer at a conversational tone? Once you set up these test cases, you can trigger an eval run and see how well your agent performs across all the tests you've configured. This is an especially useful way to see how changing the underlying language model affects your agent's performance. Outside of the performance of a single agent, the Monitoring tab allows you to keep an eye on all of your agents at the same time. The Activity Graph shows your entire network of agents and all the tools they have access to. If agents share tools, they're connected in this graph, so you can see how your entire system is working together. You can also see how long different agents have been running, how often they're running, and dive deeper into the usage metrics for a single agent. This is a good way to see if there are any agents that need to be optimized, either by changing the large language model they use or tweaking the prompting. With evals and monitoring, you have all the tools you need to make sure your entire network of agents is running smoothly. In a future video, we'll take a look at how to use this data to make your agents even better. See you next time.